Welcome back. In your morning medical news, cases of a nasty and highly contagious stomach bug are surging in Minnesota and nationwide. Cases of norovirus tripled in December, with health officials reporting 60 outbreaks. Esme Murphy explains why doctors are especially concerned.
Norovirus starts with food contaminated with fecal material, but then it can spread by touching people and even touching objects like toys.
We're seeing it in droves. We're seeing it all over the community, all over town. I would say it's the number one concern and complaint I'm getting these days in my inbox and in my clinic is baby or child is throwing up, vomiting, tummy pain, all those sorts of things.
The symptoms include severe vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramping, low-grade fever. The best treatment, plenty of fluids, and in severe cases, IV fluids.
What advice do you have for parents? I mean, kids are going to touch each other.
Once again, we're washing hands with regularity. I almost might put on my clock every hour. We're just gonna wash our hands.
Children are notorious for not washing their hands, but it's not just kids that have to up their hand washing game. Hand sanitizers are not effective for the norovirus. So for all of us, it's back to the old-fashioned way.
This chart from the Minnesota Department of Health shows the skyrocketing number of outbreaks. 60 in December 2024, 44 outbreaks in December 2023, 7 in December 2022, and for most Decembers going back to 2002, the average is about 18, and that's not counting individual cases.
So we know that when we do report 60 outbreaks with, we know 1,100 cases, there are a lot more Minnesotans, unfortunately, who've gotten sick, other than those that are part of those outbreaks that we know of.
MDH says one reason numbers this season are up may be the cold weather, keeping more people together indoors.
Doctors say if you or a child is unable to keep down fluids, you should call your doctor immediately because the case could require hospitalization. Emergency rooms are busier than ever at Gunton Health System. The La Crosse Hospital hitting a record last year, treating 189,000 patients. That's 7,000 more than 2023. Now officials say expansion could be on the horizon.
Number one strategic priorities in the Gunderson region for next year is access to primary care. So we are continuing to evolve. We're continuing to make sure we have the right amount of providers in the right places, in the right communities, and expanding services in all the communities we serve.
2025 expected to be even busier. They project that patient volumes in both urgent and emergency care will go up even more.